Welcome to the demonstration video. Here we have done a simulation of our projects describing each and every feature of the system. So let's begin. This is the website of our system. Currently we are on the local network in the MetaMask for getting several crypto wallets to access different roles in the system. However, performance evaluation is done under the ring-based test network. First, a user needs to make registration to the system. There are 4 roles in our system excluding the verifier, such as authority, vaccine provider, issuer, and holder. Users need to choose one role from these 4 categories. A person is not allowed to do multiple registration using a particular wallet. A user needs to fill the required information along with the password for completing the registration process. In every transaction, after hitting the button, a MetaMask notification will pop up for confirmation. We have skipped the registration part of the other roles as it is the same as the earlier one. It is the list of accounts, transaction and block details in Ganache after the registrations. Now the registered user can log into the system where a user menu will appear according to the respected roles. For instance, in holder menu, user will be able to see their profile. Now let's move on to the issuer. The main job of this role is to issue results to the holders after the COVID test. Here, the issuer needs to address the user ID of the holder which is given to them while they register along with the test result, positive and negative. Holders will be able to see their test result on their portal. Furthermore, a QR code will also be generated which will serve as their digital health passport or DHP. Other than authenticating the registrations, authority is also the responsible entity for updating the vaccine stocks where the name of vaccine, quantity and dose limit are stored. The concept of red zone list is based on the severity of COVID positivity rate in several areas and they are ranked after the prioritization. It is the state of this list before prioritization, and as we can see that the locations are at random order containing the same COVID positivity ratio, which is 1. The governing authority can prioritize the candidates by pressing a single button and the system will do the rest internally, which reduces the complexity. The candidates having the negative test result of the COVID-19 will be prioritized first if they are from the top ranked red zone areas since they are more vulnerable to COVID. If we look at this red zone list after the prioritization, we will find that the locations are now ranked based on the COVID positivity ratio in a descending order. Here Borishal is rated 5000 and Sylhet is rated 3333, which means the COVID positivity ratio of Borishal is 50% and for Sylhet it is 33.33%. We can also check the total priority list of candidates from our backend interface if we want. Besides, every holder will be also able to see their own priority level on their portal in the website. After the prioritization, it comes to responsibility for the vaccine providers to push vaccines to the candidates maintaining the priority list, and the system will assure the fairness. Any kind of violations against the priority concerns will be strictly restricted by the system. The form should be filled up with user ID of the candidates and the governing authority along with the vaccine name and ID. Each candidate will be able to see their vaccination info in the portal. In addition, a vaccine passport will also be delivered to them in a form of QR code. Finally, these are the blocks, transactions and account details within the blockchain network after completing all the operations. Thank you.